ladies, and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Well, happy Monday, and we are here today unboxing
Alembika. Welcome, Lovelies. I am thrilled beyond because one of my other favorite lines, I have many, they keep on coming. Cynthia, you comment quite often, we love your comments, and you used to work in a boutique. And it was like Christmas, you said, when the boxes come in. And that's true.
It's true.
It's true.
It's very true.
It's so exciting.
It's so exciting. Can you tell we love what we do?
Yeah, we love what we do.
Honestly,
for sure.
It's so fun.
Yeah.
I'm just looking down the aisle here at Narami, which is
yeah.
also like we just started carrying Narami, and what a darling collection.
Yeah, beautiful.
Oh, it's so
but
beautiful.
You know what we should do? We should do a video walking through the boutique and showing all the different, because we did that a few times, and your Lovelies really liked that.
Yeah.
Because not every one of you can come in.
No, we should do that. That's
Yeah.
a great idea. Do a little boutique video.
A little walkabout.
Because in our boutique, we do it a little bit differently. I mean, everybody does it their own way, but we keep collections within collections. So all of Cut Loose is there, all of Grisa's is there, all of Lousje and Bean. So we don't color coordinate the pieces, but we keep the collections together.
I like the way we do it.
Yeah, and we highlight the brand and the artists, and it's quite lovely.
And then when you're here, you can mix match the brands, you know, and we will help you, of course.
But I must say, I feel like this month is my month of pants.
Yeah.
Because I'm wearing pants.
Exactly. Exactly.
And I never wear pants.
No, but I feel we've never had such an amazing array of pants.
I love. And I love the wider,
I love
they're
it
very
too.
in right now too.
I really
Not
like
that we
it.
follow trends
No, we
at
do
all.
not.
But yeah, speaking of, so I have on these beautiful navy pants from Narami, speaking of. You have on the black, gorgeous. Do they feel good?
Very good.
Yeah.
Very good. A lot of fabric, but that's cute. When you stand, it's almost like a long skirt.
Yeah.
It's got these big pleats here.
Yes.
Elastic in the back, and they just fall, right? But
yeah.
the fabric, though, is a typical, this is not an all-season pant. This is a typical light, beautiful summer pant for hot weather and, you know, spring,
Cotton.
fall, but
Yeah.
cotton, yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah, breeds.
Yeah, and then you have on the gorgeous
What a
Catharines.
color.
What a
And
color.
what a design.
I
Look
know.
at the
I
cute
love
little
it.
zipper they brought back. The
I know.
black.
I know.
And this, of course, is the cat's meow. I've been playing
wire
with
in
the
the
wire in
collar.
it. You can just make it, or you can squeeze it a little if you don't want a big white cowl. But yeah, and then,
Yeah, beautiful.
oh, this also feels, this is a tighter mesh, I would say. There's quite a bit of difference in meshes. Some of them have the crinkle in it, so they have more stretch, but this one fits beautifully.
Beautifully. It's a great layering piece.
Yeah.
You'll
And
have
it's
that, the pink in it. And the green and the green. And I'm missing our little furry friend.
Well, I tell you
I'm
what
so
happened
sad.
last night. There was
He's
a
so
happening.
funny.
We had a lot of thunderstorms.
Oh, yes.
And he was very
Shaking.
stressed, and
Aw.
spent most of the time squeezing him next to him and talking to him while I was snoozing.
You guys
And
are
then
so
he wakes,
funny.
and then in the morning he's exhausted, Charlie. He didn't even eat his breakfast.
Oh, really?
I shoot him out for a quick pee because I had to come here, but he
Yeah.
went straight back upstairs to bed. And because he was enormously stressed.
So you didn't even bring him. Aw.
No.
We're missing him here, little cutie.
We met his little, remember?
Yes, yes.
What was his name? Do you remember?
No.
The dog. Oh my God, we were walking and this man came towards us with a dog, like definitely a puppy.
He was a year old.
It looked exactly like Charlie. I'm
should have
so
taken a
sorry
picture.
that we didn't, Tessa.
I know.
The coloring was exactly
But
the
didn't
same.
you say he was a
Cavapoo.
Cavapoo?
And the man said he's very hyper. I said, oh, well, this one is not. Ours is very zen. And the dog wanted to play with Charlie.
And it just looked like Charlie.
So cute.
Yeah, really cute.
Yeah.
Love.
Anyway, let's go.
But yeah, so this is Masai, ladies. This white, beautiful poplin cotton
I
white
love that
shirt. and pop the collar.
Yeah.
And then I have, see how cute this is as a look, like that little, and you can see me standing up here, how great it works. And then I just wanted to pop a pair of earrings to pick up the blue. So feeling good.
What a lovely, you look great in blue, by the way.
Oh, thank
Yeah,
you. I
you
never
do.
wear blue.
Yeah.
Black.
Shoot.
Okay, ladies, so we have our first drop from Alembika here, and very excited to show you. Speaking of blue, let's start with the smasher.
Look at that.
Polka dots.
Oh, how fun.
Amazing.
It's 2 different stripes.
So it is a boxy shirt, and it has the, yeah, how cool is that?
Oh, that is so cool.
Yeah.
Wow.
Love, so great.
Great, great, great.
Nice
with
t-shirt.
jeans, with white pants, white. Oh, look at the
little
nice
slit,
big slits.
slit on the side. All same in the back.
Three
This'll
sizes.
Three
That's what you
sizes,
say?
extra
Okay.
small,
Yeah.
medium, large. And this is a viscose jersey, ladies. So that's that beautiful European, nice bamboo.
It falls.
Falls gorgeous.
Yeah.
Where am I gonna go from here?
It's too exciting.
It's too exciting. Well, here we go. Nice and fresh for the summer. I was so happy to see these when we bought them last year. Look at.
Oh, yeah.
It is the most darling
Yeah.
t-shirt you will ever own.
It's summery, fresh.
So
It's
cute.
Adorable.
It's so
Adorable.
sweet on.
Is that a V-neck?
It's a V-neck, yeah. I was hesitant because I thought, oh, I don't know how that's gonna fall, but on, ladies, it is
Gorgeous.
stunning. It is so
Gorgeous.
cute.
And this will fall over your arms,
Yes,
right?
yeah. So it's gonna do a
yeah.
nice, because it's like almost, it's like a, see?
Like a drop shoulder, yeah.
It's so cute.
And the length you...
Yeah, perfect. You can
Not-
tuck it.
yeah.
You can, nice, yeah. No, it's perfect. And the fabric, this is that beautiful European t-shirt fabric.
gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Yeah, high quality fabrics. So then this is a little bit of a different style, but we did this one in black. So that one's just in white and this one's just in black, but look at how cute.
I love how
Another great style. So V-neck again, darling
Yeah.
little hemline there. And these sleeves are so cute.
Yeah.
And then they just kind of fall
over
down.
your upper arm.
And again, it's going to be a nice,
And the beautiful
nice cap.
V-neck, a seam in the middle.
Yeah,
Gorgeous.
and the layers, it's gorgeous.
And the weight, eh?
And the weight,
Yeah.
yeah, beautiful. Oh, this one you're gonna love. Look at the colors in this, ladies. So as you know, we try to be careful with prints, but this print is so fabulous. Look at that.
This is gorgeous.
Look at the colors in it. So it's a gorgeous high-low shirt.
Oh, it's a crepe. Oh.
It's a heavier crepe,
Yeah.
but light.
Oh, but light. But it needs to be crepe so it can fall.
It can
like,
fall.
And swing around your body.
Yeah, and look at the dolman
Oh,
sleeves. So
yeah.
those will just hang beautifully,
Oh.
come 3/4.
And the big pockets make it a little
Big
sporty.
pockets,
you know,
super
like funky.
cute. Yeah, and again, 3 sizes, ladies, so oversized.
Love, love,
Oh my
love.
God, look at all the colors
Look at
in
all
there.
the colors you can pick up.
Purple and cobalt.
Look how beautiful it is
fuchsia.
on black.
Yeah, gorgeous.
Or on white.
Yeah, gorgeous. And your orange
Yeah.
in there. Oh my
Or on
gosh.
navy. Wow.
And then these tops, I love.
Oh!
So as you know, ladies, we love our boxy sweaters.
Oh, wow.
This is so beautiful.
Oh, it's a lacy knit.
It's like a lacy knit, and it's going to hang so wonderful.
Oh, gorgeous. Yeah.
Nice drop sleeve again.
Yeah.
Slits on the side.
Wow.
Just wear a nice light cami.
yeah.
Me and Lousje are going to style all these up for you tomorrow.
I can't wait.
But look, if you can see, there's like little dots in the, it's really beautiful
It's
in
gorgeous.
person, and it feels
gorgeous. Drop
fabulous.
shoulder.
yeah.
Nice slits.
And then of course we couldn't do it without the black.
Of course.
Love, gorgeous,
amazing.
nice light summer.
Amazing. What a nice
These
light
are gonna
summer,
fly. They're so
Yeah.
beautiful.
This is a beautiful summer topper.
You can wear it over our tank dresses.
Yes.
You can wear that over your bubble dresses.
You can play with the color, you know.
Look, you
because
can
it's
see the
see-through.
dots a bit more, ladies. See
Yeah.
the polka dots?
Right.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous.
Wow. Winner.
Winner, winner. So all these tops, so what do we have? 6 tops, 6 gorgeous
1, 2,
tops.
3, 4, 5, 6. Yes.
We have 2 bottoms that are gonna intermix with all of these 6
Yeah.
tops. Are you ready? You're gonna love, love, love. So we have a denim barrel pant.
Oh my, oh my,
Oh my ladies. These are so
Gorgeous.
cool. A beautiful pocket on the back.
A low pocket. on
Low
the bottom.
pocket. So we did it in the white.
Oh, the fabric.
I know. Nice stretch too.
It feels amazing.
But look at this, Mom. We love our top stitch.
Oh, I love
So
it.
the black
How
barrel
cool did they do that? Yes.
with the white top stitch.
Oh,
Look at all
white
the way
bottom.
through.
Oh,
And
it's
look how
gorgeous.
cute.
Oh, it's so cute.
Yeah. And it's got for belt loops too, if you need, but this is nice and stretchy at the top.
And it's
It
not
does
a-
have a button and zipper.
See, I like this. This is not a high up here.
No. No.
It's like a not a low rise,
Not,
but
yeah,
it's a
no.
medium rise.
You don't like the high waist.
Can't stand it.
I like it. It hides my muffin top.
Oh God. Oh.
The higher waisted sucks it all in. But this is probably in the middle, which is great.
Yeah. Fabric this is amazing. Oh,
I
here
know.
it is. Wow, it has so much stretch and it feels so light.
I know. Look at the top
Oh,
stitch.
it's cotton.
Yeah.
Cotton and lycra.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's beautiful. It
Yeah.
feels like a denim. It's a softer denim.
Yeah.
It's got stretch. It's absolutely gorgeous. So all of these tops are meant to go over these barrel pants.
Look at
I
this one.
know.
Oh my.
I know. Look how cool that's going to be.
How cool is this?
These are brilliant summer, spring, summer, fall outfits. Perfect.
Oh.
You know, we can wear them all year, the black
year.
pants.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
They're gorgeous. And the quality is there, ladies, with Alembika, as you know. Such a beautiful collection. And we can't wait to style them up for you, lovelies, tomorrow. I'm excited. So I get the...
Yeah, and I kept a. That's
I don't
great.
mind wearing the
No.
white. Actually, I've worn the white. We have the crop
Yeah.
flare from Liverpool. And
Which is
I've,
adorable too.
yeah, I wore those with the Marie Loon video, and I love them. They
Love,
felt
yeah.
amazing. But I mean,
Barrel shape is a very attractive shape.
it is. Yeah. No, this is great. Yeah, we had Liverpool barrel jeans last season, and they sold out so quickly.
Yeah.
And Liverpool sold out. Like we couldn't even
Yeah.
get them for you, lovelies, because
They were-
everybody
yeah.
was. Remember the gray ones?
They were out. Yeah.
They were so beautiful.
Yeah.
So here we go. Some more barrels. So excited. Watch out tomorrow. Me and Lousje are going to be here to style these up for you, lovelies. Please hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And as always,
Keep on smiling.